This is the milky white solution obtained from soaking or boiling rice. It exists in fermented, diluted or concentrated forms. For best results, it is recommended to avoid polished rice. It is ripped off vitamin B1, B3, B6 and essential nutrients such as manganese and iron, which are in small portions. Rice can also be ground to a fine powder, which is convenient to use and not easily wasted. Whether you use rice water for face or rice flour for skin whitening, its moisturizing and healing properties help soothe inflamed skin. Its natural cooling effect helps you get rid of that persistent tan. Applying a rice face pack regularly also helps improve blood circulation. Rice water for skin whitening recipes have been borrowed from Ayurveda and passed down generations. Fermented rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and enough vitamins to rid your skin of any infections and leave it feeling smooth and supple. It is known as an anti-aging elixir in many parts of China and South Asia as well. Keeping in mind so many of its benefits, we have for you these very special and simple DIY rice face packs. Go ahead, try some of them and bask in your own glow. There are many ways and I am going to tell you simplest way. It is just 4-step process. Step 1. Using a clean bowl, soak some uncooked brown rice, white rice or red rice in water. A handful of rice should be more than enough. Step 2. Run your fingers through this as if you're cleaning the rice. Step 3. The water should look pretty cloudy right now. Drain this water into another clean bowl. Step 4. Splash the rice water over your face repeatedly. Tips: exfoliate your skin first with a scrub or washcloth so the rice water can be better absorbed. For even better skin lightening, do not towel your face dry but leave it damp to air dry on its own.